Well, there's always two predominant things. There's process and there's people. You need both. I think it's impossible, from my experience, to scale without process. You could put people in place and not have process, and the people do not know what to do. So to me, process always has to come first. And that's kind of thinking about infrastructure of your sales function, right? So that's pipelines, it could be comp plans. It's around your job descriptions on how you're going to hire and scale, right? Who's going to be reporting to who? What is your playbook? Do they know what to say? Who are their competitors, right? It's, to me, in many ways, it's just a lot of the things that we kind of take for granted that we assume companies have. But when you really get down into the weeds, there's a lot of the pieces that are kind of missing, right? Just for instance, I worked for big Fortune 100 companies. I've worked for mid-cap companies, 350 million. It didn't matter what organization I went into, there was always an infrastructure problem. So when you think about, even when large companies have infrastructure problems, small companies is going to experience the same thing, And I would say particularly small companies, because they have less resources and resources and people to do those things, and resources and money to invest in those things. So, I think before you go and hire someone, which is an expensive resource, and it's a lot of time and a lot of money and a lot of effort to hire the right person, you really want to make sure that you have those fundamental, foundational things in place so that when the person comes on board, they go up to scale very easily, they go up to scale very quickly, and they start producing revenue as fast as they possibly can, because that's ultimately what you're trying to get to. Then you can start to build the people around it.